Hi, stakeholders, Mrs. Chance, Mrs. Vance, and Mr. Ray. My name is Non Victor Tukba, and I'm from Essence Financial Planning. So today we are going to be presenting to you our final vendor recommendations for moving Essence Financial Planning to the cloud. So we are highly focused on stabilities of our cloud, and for the two vendors we we use our compliant, which led us to our good search, and the two best option is the Microsoft Azure and the AWS. So both are two better choices, and they are being used in secure infrastructures, especially for financial and sensitive data records. And looking at Microsoft Azure is known for its 365 environment, which can be able to contribute a lot to our financial planning. And also looking at AWS, which is known for the leading industry, and it also has a massive skill. So to evaluate between the two, we use and conducted the POV, which is also known as the proof of value. And then we simulated for our financial planning, we simulated our higher tax season workload performance that will be able to do a good evaluations of our cloud vendors. And also we also talk about the 7-level agreement, looking at our contractual insurance policy. Both Azure and AWS, they are really essential, and they guarantee the full nines. All right, both guarantee full nines for core components and services and redundancies. All right, and this means that we will have a secure protections, and we will also be having our financial record protected, and they are really essential. So for the recommendations for the cloud vendors, I recommend Microsoft Azure. All right, even though they both are great tools, AWS is also a great tool. I mean, it's also a great option, but we recommend from the ASIN Financial Planning the Microsoft Azure because it has its better 365 environment, and it will be able to contribute a lot to our financial instances. So we're looking at the benefits, all right, because Microsoft Azure, it has the ease of integrations that will be able to help us to move our all of our cloud components and our computer system to the cloud in Microsoft Azure that will help us to manage our environment for the financial records and to be moving about with the company. So now we're also looking at the simplicity, all right? That's the recommendation. The reason for which that we chose the Azure is the simplicity. And the simplicity it has to do with managing our 12 employees from our ASIN financial planning, all right? So the 12 employees will be your best options and looking at the services providing that will lead to training and will be able to save a lot of cost and it's better in an Azure environment. So that's really how important it is. And so far, I think that's my recommendations for ASIN financial planning for our cloud vendor. So thank you, stakeholder, for watching. And our next steps or action is to discuss our contract agreement on to see how this goes and finalize. So thank you so much for watching. That's our recommendation for Nation Financial Planning. Once again, I'm Neon Victor Tukba and I'm from Nation Financial Planning. Thank you for watching our proposal video. Thank you.